And I'm told that your Foley went out yesterday, in that in Shout and Crimmins was saving some hay. Being close to the river, he went for a drink, and now what did he see there? Now, what do you think? Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. A big water dog was lying close to the bank. He went for a pike for to drive in his flank. When the water dog saw him, he took to his heels. If you saw him, you'd swear 'twas the devil on wheels. Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. Then Jerry got mad and he took off his coat. He went for a hatchet to build him a boat. He loaded his rifle with a bundle of hat, and he swore by the Pope he would give him his death. Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. Then he jumped in his boat and he started to row. The people that saw him, they said 'twas a show that he wasn't drowned, for the boat wasn't strong. He was 3 weeks away, but sure that wasn't long. Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. As he drew near the island, there sprang up a gale. He had to haul down both his jib and mainsail. The current being high and the tide it being strong, sure he climbed up a pole, saying, I live while I can. Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. He clung to the mainmast and held it up straight. The power of invention, it cannot be bet. The storm soon calmed and Jerry came down, and he hitched up his riggings to take him to town. Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. As he passed by the bridge, he appeared like a midge. The people that saw him, they said 'twasn't him. His pate it was bare, and his mouth it was big, and he hadn't got hair, no, not even a rib. Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. He then steered his vessel with judgment and skill, directing his course by the moon and the hill. He laboured on bravely for saving his life, for himself and that woman named Joan, that's his wife. Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. Then at Carrigafolk he struck a big rock, and the noise that it made, sure it gave him a shock. For the boards they were rotten and gone to decay, and the kick it gave back drove the bottom away. Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. When he found he was shipwrecked, he started to bawl. You'd hear him 10 miles if you'd hear him at all. He swore if he'd catch him, he'd bring him to grief, and he called him a scoundrel, a rascal and thief. Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. Then there did this big vessel come into Kinsale. The captain he heard of this wonderful tale. He called to see Jerry that very same night. When he saw him, he surely crowed with delight. Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. He offered him silver, he offered him gold, he offered him numberless things, I am told. He offered him lands and a mansion quite free, if he'd only consent to go with him to sea. Rally raffle the da, rally raffle the da. Now Jerry's a man who is easy and quiet. He saluted the captain and bade him good night, saying, the last time I sailed in that boat of my own, I went near going to hell or to heaven from John Raleigh Raffle, the Raleigh Raffle, the day. Then John, she got cross and she started to scold, for you know she is wicked and terrible bold. She finished in Irish, talked what the skill, there was Hyle at the Wackigan and the Mundial, Raleigh Raffle, the Raleigh Raffle, the day.